class of the texture prep material, and I think I showed you guys how to get the tail end and also the wings, almost said feather. And also now the last one is the mid-torso here, right beyond the neck, just head, neck, and torso, and then the rear of the grasshopper. So I just did a real quick grab of that, and this has got part of our leg indentation. Again, I'm going to go up a little bit bigger with that, and we're just taking that base layer out. So we have an alpha channel, and again, using our same techniques that we've used before. We go up a little bit on the brush on this one, and hit Alt or Option, and take out these harsh highlights so it doesn't read as a ridge. And again, I know you've heard me say this 100 times, but try not to create mud. Try to create a nice line here, or delete the line without having so much of these hard ridge lines. You will create these ridge lines. We'll get into sculpting a little bit more in Substance. So we have these little micro bumps. Again, all of us have some sort of bumps on our face and whatnot. Keep pushing that forward. Get rid of any of that stuff here. I think you guys probably get the gist of it. You could probably fast forward this because you guys have done this 1,000 times. But again, I don't know what. It's having a hard time reading my form here. All right, so. Oh, my scratch disk is full. Oh my gosh. All right, so I think I'm going to stop here because I don't want to fill out any more of my computer before it crashes. So I want to stop here. Anyways, get rid of all your ridge lines and save it as a PSD. All right, good luck with this, guys, and I'm sorry my scratch disk is full.